This evening, there's a call from a councillor and persons who use the Westmoreland Bridge in St. Mary for the authorities to urgently stop mining operations before the roadway or the bridge collapses. They point to the collapse of a section of the embankment along the road and cracks in the road as worrying signs. But as Krista Campbell reports, the National Works Agency says there's no need for panic.
It would be a waste of taxpayers' funds to have this bridge go down again.
The road right now is safe.
Cracks and collapse along the Westmoreland Bridge and the Junction Main Road in St. Mary that has Councillor for the Belfield Division, Levon Freeman, concerned and calling for urgent action. Equally worried are taxi operators and residents who use the area regularly.
But through the rain not falling, we cannot safe now, but sooner the rain start to fall, we're going to be in problem with the road.
So we are going on the rainy season. So you know what happened? So you will start split this already. So after I walk down this already, you know. Okay. Down outside the gun already, down the river, you know. Okay. See the next piece of going now. If you look. I saw come after the edge, I go down the river. So they go right up to the bridge.
They blame mining in the Wogwater River below the bridge for worsening the erosion of the road and embankment, which they fear puts the bridge at risk of collapse again. They point to the gross inconvenience when the bridge collapsed during the passage of Tropical Storm Gustav in 2008.
Because they don't stop digging and dig from below the bridge. So if I dig below the bridge, when the water comes down, we're going to move.
There has been some mining and also beside the bridge, they have dug it away and it has caused the wall adjoining to the bridge to collapse.
National Works Agency NWA Communication Manager Stephen Shaw insists mining is being done to help the river and surrounding structures stand up better to floods, and that assessments are being done to see if it is contributing to any of the erosion in the area.
If the situation were to reach that point where we believe that we need to suspend all mining between ourselves and the Mines and Geology Division of the Ministry of Mining, because that's really where the license come from, then that decision will be taken.
As for the collapsed sections of the embankment along the road, he explains it's happened because recent flooding from heavy rains washed away 2 culverts. And he adds that a heavy buildup of sand and silt at the point where a nearby gully meets the river made matters worse.
Because that would have also aided the washing out of the culverts during the passage of Melissa, because the water was not able to run freely in that space.
He says part of the works being done in the area is to remove that heavy sediment buildup. Meanwhile, he insists the bridge, rebuilt in 2013, is safe and that work will be done to address the collapsed embankment. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.